Hi viewers, if you don't want to miss any of the videos uploaded by me, please follow these steps. In your cell phone, open YouTube and in the search box type Shekhar Maths. You will see my photograph in a circle and also a subscribe button. So touch the subscribe button and also touch the bell icon and select all. You will get instant notifications whenever I upload any of my video. Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics 10th chapter Practical Geometry exercise 10.4. Before going to do the exercise, let us learn the concept. Construction of 60 degrees angle. For this, take any 2 points B and C, take the compass, put the sharp end at B. So with center B and radius BC, draw a circle. The circle passes through the point C. Now with center C and same radius BC, draw another circle. The second circle passes through the point B. Observe that here the first circle passes through the center of the second circle and second circle passes through the center of the first circle. అనగా రెండు వృత్తాలు ఒకదాని కేంద్రం గుండా మరొకటి పోతున్నాయి. Now let us denote the intersection of the circle at point A. Now join AB, BC, AC. Observe that it is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. And also observe that all angles are also equal, that is 60 degrees. So this is the way of construction of 60 degrees angle. We are using equilateral triangle. For this, we are taking two circles which passes through one center of the other. Exercise 10.4, first problem. Construct angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees without using protractor. Put a point B, draw a ray through it. With center B with some radius, draw an arc cutting the ray at the point C. With the same radius with center C, draw another arc passing through the point B and touching the previous arc at the point A. Now join BA with a ray. Measure the angle with a protractor. Observe that it is showing 60 degrees. So angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees angle is constructed. Construction of 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 180 degrees angles. For this, take any 2 points D and E. With center D and radius DE, draw a circle that passes through the point E. Now with center E and radius DE, draw another circle passes through the point D. Now the point of intersection of the two circles is C. Now with center C and radius CD, draw another circle. Now with center B and radius BC, draw another circle. Now the point of intersection of the last two circles is denoted by A. Now let us measure the angles. Angle CDE is showing 60 degrees. Angle BDE is showing 120 degrees. Angle ADE is showing 180 degrees. So here observe that angle CDE 60 degrees, angle BDE 120 degrees, angle ADE is equal to 180 degrees. Angles are constructed. Now second problem, construct an angle of 120 degrees with using ruler and compass. For this, put a point C, draw a ray through it. With center C and radius CD, draw an arc touching the arrow at the point D. Now with center D and radius CD, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at the point B. Now with center B, draw another arc cutting the first arc at the point A. Now join CA with a ray and observe that with a protractor angle ACD is equal to 120 degrees angle is constructed. Now third problem. Construct the following angles using ruler and compasses. Write the steps of construction in each case. Solution 2. Steps of construction of 15 degrees. Number 1. Put a point B, draw a ray through it. Now with center B and radius BC, draw an arc cutting the arrow at the point C. Now with center C and radius BC, draw an arc cutting the previous arc at the point D. Join BD with a ray. Now measure the angle. Angle DBC is showing 60 degrees. Now take more than half the length of CD as radius. With center D, draw an arc. Now with center C, draw another arc. Now join the intersection of the arcs with the point B with an arrow, that is BE. Angular bisector is constructed, so 60 degrees angle is divided into two equal angles, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Now with more than half the length of EC as radius, with center C, draw an arc. With the same radius with center E, draw another arc. Now join B with the intersection of the arcs. BF, angular bisector is constructed and angle 30 degrees is divided into two equal angles, 15 degrees, 15 degrees. So angle FBC is equal to 15 degrees is constructed. Solution 1. Steps of construction of 75 degrees. Put a point B, draw a ray through it. Now with center B, with some radius, draw an arc cutting the ray at the point C. Now with center C, with same radius, draw an arc cutting the previous arc at the point D. Now join BD with a ray. Now measure the angle. Angle DBC is 60 degrees with protractor. Now with center D, draw another arc cutting the first arc at the point A. Now join BA with a ray and observe that angle ABC is 120 degrees. That means angle ABD is 60 degrees. Now with more than half the length of AD, draw two arcs with centers A and D. Now join the intersection of the arcs of the point B. Now BE is the angular bisector, dividing the 60 degrees angle into two equal angles 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Now with more than half the length of ED as radius, with centers E and D, draw two arcs and join the intersection of the two arcs with the point B. Now BF is the angular bisector, cutting the 30 degrees angle into equal 15 degrees angles. Now angle FBC is equal to angle FBD plus angle DBC, that is 15 degrees plus 60 degrees, that is 75 degrees angle is constructed. Now solution 3. Steps of construction of 105 degrees. Put a point B, draw a ray through it. With center B, with some radius, draw an arc cutting the ray at the point C. Now with center C, with the radius BC, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at the point D. Now join BD with a ray and measure the angle with a protractor and observe that it is showing 60 degrees. Now with center D, with the same radius, draw another arc cutting the first arc at the point A. Now join BA and measure the angle. Angle ABC is 120 degrees. So angle ABD means ABD is 60 degrees. Now with more than half the length of AD as radius, with centers A and D, draw two arcs and join the point B with the intersection of the two arcs. So angular bisector BE is constructed. It is showing 90 degrees. So total 60 degrees is divided into two equal angles 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Now with more than half the length of AE as radius, with centers A and E, draw two arcs and join the point B with the intersection of the two arcs, that is BF. Angular bisector is constructed. So total 30 degrees angle is divided into two equal angles 15 degrees, 15 degrees. Now angle CBF is equal to angle CBE plus angle EBF, that is 90 degrees plus 15 degrees is equal to 105 degrees angle is constructed.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Shekhar Maths.